Quincas, and in this video we will see how to add logo on your WordPress website. First of all, open Google Chrome. Open your WordPress site. This is my site, I will open it. Then in designs options, go to customize. In customize, go to site identity. After that, I already have a logo, so I will remove it, and then you will see this option, select logo. Click on it. You have to select the files. I will select my logo. So it's there, it will upload it. Then you select, if you love, write logo here, logo, title, type it logo or whatever you want. If you want to give a caption, give it here. And if you want to give a description, give it here. And then click select. It will ask you to crop it. Adjust it accordingly you want, however you want. Crop image. And there we have it. So it has come here. And click on this publish. Let me access the site from another browser. And so I opened my website in another browser and I have this logo. So please, if you like the video, please click on like, share and then subscribe. Thank you.